I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Apple ID that will receive the balance. This ties the card to purchases and subscriptions. Once signed in, make sure your device is online and the camera is enabled because you can scan the code or enter it manually. Open the App Store or settings to the Redeem section right away, then choose to scan the physical or emailed code. This step loads the value into your Apple ID balance so purchases draw from it instead of your card. You tap your avatar in the App Store and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. That places you directly into the input flow. If you scan, align the code in the camera frame. If you type, double-check characters like O versus 0. Once done, the system confirms and adds the funds to your Apple ID balance. Make sure to watch for partial redemptions because some subscriptions may charge immediately and leave a remaining balance. If you plan purchases, choose the right Apple ID before confirming. You complete purchases by selecting your Apple ID balance at checkout. The system uses it automatically when enough funds exist. Otherwise, it combines payment methods. Once used, you can manage subscriptions in settings to ensure charges pull from that balance. If your code doesn't redeem, make sure you're using the same country or region tied to the card, confirm the exact Apple ID, and try manual entry instead of scanning. If problems persist, sign out and back. Then retry the redeem step. This often resolves syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.